Welcome, guys. For news today, we have a Chinese man named Long Thing weds Igbo girl in Anambra State. A Chinese man with quite a hilarious name, Long Thing, made up his mind that he wants to travel down to eastern Nigeria to pick a life partner. In a beautiful Igbo traditional marriage ceremony, Chinese man tied the knot in grand style with his heartthrob Ngozi in Anambra State, Nigeria. Mr. Longthing was seen traditionally dressed in complete Igbo regalia, adding a staff, making him a complete Igbo man. Many saw the photos online and overlooked it as foreigners come in every other week to marry their Nigerian partners. What really caught our attention is the name of the Chinese groom, Longthing. Guys, in as much as the name is hilarious, what do you think about the marriage? Let me know what you think in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment, and hit the bell button so you get notifications when a new story drops. Thank you, guys.